Hello everybody, my name is Val. If anybody is new to my channel, I create content on jewelry making. More specifically, I do lots of earrings. And I'm involved in a monthly collaboration. Every 18th of the month, I do a collaboration called Jewelry Making Fun Collaboration. And so it's sponsored by Deb Hook of Dahlia Designs. And there are lots of other wonderful creators that participate. And so when I'm done, I would appreciate it if you'd go to my description and look at everybody else's videos too. See what wonderful things they created. Okay, so it's March 18th, right? And so it's time for this month's collaboration video. And what I've got today are different colors and different aspects of our collab that we have to do. So we have to use light blue and gray as our colors. Our next option is to make a wispy design as to suggest March winds. And then the last option is use a cloud in your design. Okay, so I love earrings, and so I kept with my earring theme, but I did something a little different. I always have hoop earrings. Today I only have my little dangly earrings, and I'm excited because I think I'm onto something. I think I'm gonna make more of these type things, and even in the future make pendants to go with some chains maybe. So I'm excited about the direction of this video, getting away from my hoops a little bit. And so, in keeping with the colors, I have two pretty gray beads. These are labradorite beads, the larger beads at the bottom, and the more cylinder beads, these are Amazonite, and they're all pretty gray, like tones of gray. And so I just put little silver accents in the middle there, a spacer bead, and on the top, just little flowers. I guess to let you know that even though March is cloudy sometimes, there are still flowers blooming, right? So I thought those turned out just pretty little baubles. They're kind of cute. Okay, and then another color we could use is light blue. So I found these pretty glass beads that I've never used. I think I've had them for several months, maybe even over a year, probably over a year. And I've never used them. So this collaboration gave me a chance to use some things that I rarely use. And I've got just a little charm bead at the bottom, a little silver charm bead at the bottom, the blue crystal bead. Oh, I hope I'm in the frame. I'm sorry if my hands went out of frame. The little blue beads, and then on the top I have some more spacer beads, and those spacer beads are again something I've had for years. I'm really glad that I'm starting to use things more that I've had instead of always running out getting new things. It's good to use what you've got in your stash. And then on top, just some little silver round beads, small round beads. And so that's what I've got. I really think they're so cute, just little earrings to throw in your ears, you know, so your ears have something in them. So that's what I have today. Please watch everybody else's video, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and love my jewels, and y'all have a great day. Bye bye till next video.